Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss again the next numericals which are the very important as per as SPPU exam concern based on Chebyshev spacing. But before that we have to learn the concept of angular relationship for function generation. Okay, so here we have the diagram of 4-bar mechanism, input link, output link. Here is the theta which is the input angle, here is the phi which is the output angle, and this mechanism is based on the function generation. Y is function of f of x. Now the concept is, in case of angular function of input and output link, the angle rotation of theta and phi are linear equivalent with x and y respectively. Okay, so we can say that there is linear relationship between angle theta and phi with x and y. So let's consider a range of theta that is equal to theta final minus of theta at initial position, again range of phi which is again phi f minus of phi s, then delta x which is again xf final position minus of initial position which is the range, and delta phi is equal to yf minus of ys. So we can write as delta theta divided by delta x is equal to theta f minus of theta s divided by xf minus of xs. It is a simple relation. Now just rearrange this and we can write it as theta f is equal to, so we have this term here, this term is in dividation, so here it will be become in a multiplication. So let's say theta f is equal to delta theta divided delta x into xf minus of xs plus, again this theta s is in minus, so it become a plus theta s. And this is very important relationship. So we can say that theta j any term is equal to, again delta theta by delta x remains as it is, only instead of xf we can write it xj minus of xs plus theta s. Okay, and this is a very important equation that we are going to use to find out different angle with respect to different positions. And similarly we can write it as phi j is equal to delta phi, only instead of theta we need to put phi, instead of x we need to put y, because phi is analogy of y. Okay, again this is very important that we are going to use while solving the Chebyshev equation.